cadets of the 11th Regiment went through their second refit day after coming out of the Panther FTX.
It's like very refreshing to know it's like a day to relax where it's like 3 days straight. It's just nothing but baby wipes, nothing but waking up early in the morning to finishing late at night, and then just coming here, knowing that we can take a shower, knowing we can take a rest feels amazing.
Just stepping out of the field for the first time in days, cadets have much to look forward to.
Showers are number one, hot showers number two, and then a nap. Naps are important. Naps come in hard third.
Sleep. All the sleep. Just nap all day.
I look forward to the shower and the clean clothes, because that's just, being clean, feeling clean, just is a huge morale boost.
Each cadet has their own way of keeping clean while in the field before refit, but one particular product has a special place at CST.
Staying cleaner in the field. Well, now that I'm clean right now, I don't want to sit on any dirt, but definitely staying cleaner in the field. All you have to do is keep baby wipe everything, and then this camo clogs your pores really bad, so just gotta make sure you have some makeup wipes, take it off. It's a good time though.
Baby wipes, all the baby wipes, and tea tree oil.
Lots of baby wipes and Gold Bond. That is, I'll swear by that.
This has been Megan Reynolds reporting for the CST Public Affairs Office.